With SolidWorks 2008, editing imported geometry has never been easier. You'll notice on this bracket we have a surface that represents a fillet. By simply right mouse clicking, SolidWorks allows me to resize that fillet dynamically. I have a nice ruler interface where I can slide and resize this fillet. I always see the real-time preview of my changes. Chamfered surfaces can be edited as well. Notice SolidWorks has given me the ability to change not only the depth of this chamfer, but also the angle. And again, the real-time preview and ruler interface allows quick changes to be visualized. Finally, it's very common to want to resize hole information. Not only am I able to resize this hole's diameter, I can also change its depth. But you'll notice in the history tree, SolidWorks truly recognizes this as a hole, which gives me the added ability to actually change the hole type, maybe to a counterbore hole or a countersunk hole. This direct editing capability, coupled with the vast amounts of import file formats SolidWorks is able to read, makes SolidWorks the best system for dealing not only with legacy data, but also imported data from multiple suppliers. Truly a great productivity tool.